Alrighty, the Walmart motherfuckers took all day, so now I get some free shit. See what we got. Oh shit, we got some ketchup. Oh.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here.
What's this, some eggs? Oh yeah, you know them eggs is expensive. We know we got to get them
Do
eggs.
it.
Let me put them over there. Hell to the yeah. What we got right here? Ooh, got some paper plates, yes sir. Gotta get those. What else we got? Okay, we got some ketchup, free ketchup. Everybody like free ketchup.
Come on now, dog.
What else we got?
Come on, man.
Ooh, we got some juice, and this the good brand too, y'all. This is the Ocean Spray. You know you gotta get that name brand shit when you getting that free shit. And then what else we get for free? We got some free milk. We got some, another thing of free milk. We got a big ass box of free Kleenex.
Holy Jesus.
Nice. And we got, they got that quilted north.
What is that?
Stop playing. That's my favorite. Oh my goodness. Oh, we got some medicine. Hell yeah. You know my motherfucking stomach be hurting. What's this? Stay awake.
Boom, bam, bop, bada bop, boom, pow.
I'll take that. And we got some soap. Oh yeah, we made a good haul on this one, guys. What's this? Menopause support? What? What's this? Some more candles? Hell yeah, I'll take that. What's this? Some juice? Fuck yeah, I'll take that too.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
And some snacks. Hell to the yeah. Thank you, Walmart. I appreciate that. Look, y'all want to have me out here waiting 2 hours for an order?
Stop the cap.
Hey, customer cancel it? Well, guess what? Now I just got free shit. All free shit.